Training a fearful or nervous dog takes kindness, patience, and understanding. These dogs need extra care because they can feel scared or anxious in new situations. There are some easy and gentle tips to help your dog become more confident and happy. Creating a safe space is very important when training a fearful or nervous dog. Choose a quiet, comfortable spot in your home where your dog can relax without noise or distractions. This could be a cozy corner with a soft bed or a crate that feels like a little den. Always let your dog go there when they feel scared or tired, so they know it is their safe place. Avoid disturbing them while they are resting there. Having this safe space helps your dog calm down and feel protected during training. Using positive reinforcement is a great way to train a fearful or nervous dog. This means giving your dog treats and praise when they do something good or brave. It helps your dog learn that calm and confident behavior brings rewards. Always be gentle and patient, and never punish your dog for being scared. This makes your dog feel safe and happy to try new things. Introducing your fearful or nervous dog to other people and pets should be done slowly and carefully. Start by letting your dog watch from a distance so they do not feel scared. Keep the meetings short and quiet at first. Let your dog approach others at their own speed. This gentle introduction helps your dog feel safe and build confidence with new people and pets. Give your fearful or nervous dog lots of love and support to help them feel safe and happy. Show them you care and understand their feelings. Comfort your dog when they are scared or upset without forcing them to face their fears too quickly. When your dog feels loved, they become more confident and relaxed. Love and support are the most important parts of training a nervous dog. Playing with a fearful or nervous dog is a great way to build trust and confidence. Use their favorite toys to make playtime fun and gentle. Play also helps distract your dog from their fears and teaches them to enjoy being with you. Always watch your dog's body language to make sure they are comfortable. Playing together strengthens your bond and makes training easier. Yuma's hemp calming chews help calm dogs when they feel anxious or stressed. They make dogs feel more relaxed during loud noises or new situations. These chews also support joint health, helping older dogs move better. Made with natural ingredients, they are safe and healthy for your dog. Smart Pet Love Snuggle Puppy Toy calms nervous dogs with soothing heartbeat and warm comfort. It can reduce stress during times like travel, loud noises, or being alone. The toy is made with safe materials and is easy to clean. It helps dogs feel safe and less lonely, improving their overall happiness. So, by applying these tips and products, you can train a fearful and nervous dog.